information about the indicators, which is the subtopic of the same chapter, chapter 2, acid, base and salt. Today I will tell about the indicators in demonstrative way. So first I will provide the theoretical information about this. First we will know about the definition of the indicator. Dear children, indicators are the substances which are used for testing of nature of substance, whether the substance is acidic, basic or neutral. This is the definition. Now the second topic here, that is types of indicator. Dear students, there are two types of indicator, natural and synthetic. Further, we can categorize or we can take the examples of the natural indicators, the litmus paper, red, K-base and turmeric as per your syllabus. Natural indicators which we obtain from the nature. Synthetic indicators which are man-made or we can say prepared by the use of the chemicals. As per your syllabus, there are two synthetic indicators, methyl orange and phenolphthalein. Now we will see that how these indicators are used for testing of the acid, base and salt. Dear children, here we are having all type of the solutions, acid, base and salt. First, as per this table, the substances which are taking here, that is litmus paper, methyl orange and phenolphthalein. We will test the acid, base and salts. How do we test? See, I have taken the red litmus paper. This is blue litmus paper. Now this is acid. I will dip into this. See, the color of blue litmus paper has been changed into red. So we will write the observation here that the litmus paper acid changed the blue litmus paper into red. First observation we have done or we have seen. Now the second one, the same thing, the same blue I will try for the base. The same blue. This is base. I will dip into this. See, there is no change in color. So we can say that the blue litmus paper does not react with the base. Now the another one, we are having the red litmus papers also. These are red litmus paper. Now again we will test with the help of this. This is acid, this is red litmus paper, but there is no change. So we can say that red litmus paper does not react with the acid. Now I am taking the red again and this is base. We can say that the color of this red has been changed. So we will write our observation here that the base changed the red litmus paper into blue. Now the same, this is sugar solution water, we will see this is blue. Now through this, if you will know, there is no change. The red part also here we will see there is no change. So we can say there is no reaction of the litmus papers with the salts. Now the second one we will take here, that is methyl orange. This is the bottle of methyl orange. Now dear children, in this test tube, I have taken a test tube and I am pouring some amount of the acid into this. This is acid. Now I will pour some drop, mix some drop of the methyl orange solution here. See. See, the color of this has been changed into red. So we will write the observation that methyl orange changed the color of the acid into red. Now we will apply the same Methyl orange with base. This is base. Some amount of base I have taken. Now I am taking methyl orange. The color has been changed into orange. So we can say that methyl orange changed the color of the bases in orange color into orange. There is no reaction with the salt. So two indicators we have applied here. Now the third one we are taking, that is phenolphthalein. Again we will see how phenolphthalein is used, how does it help for the testing of the nature of the solutions. Now this is acid. Again I will take the acid into test tube. Now I will take phenolphthalein it is. I will take 1 water drop. I am going to pour some amount of this phenolphthalein into this. I will see there is no change in the color. It means the phenolphthalein does not react with the acid. There is no reaction. Now I will take the base. Again, base I am taking here into this, and the phenolphthalein I will put. The color has been changed into pink. So we can say that the base changed the color of the phenolphthalein changed the color of the base into pink. There is no reaction with the salt again. So dear children, that's all about today's topic. Again I am recapitulating the topics. Subtopic indicator. First I have told the definition of these. Indicators are the substances which are used for the testing of the nature of the solution, whether that solution is acid, base and salt. Then second topic we took types of the indicator. So here we can categorize into two parts, that is natural indicator and synthetic indicator. The examples of the natural indicators which we obtain from nature: litmus paper, red cabbage and turmeric. Synthetic: methyl orange, phenolphthalein. Then I have checked the nature of different kind of the solutions we had here, and by our observation we come to know that how do we check the nature of the different solution by applying these indicators. So thank you all. I think you might have understood today's topic, and if you have any doubt you can comment to me. Thank you very much.